All three of these services provide storage, but they serve different purposes and have distinct access patterns. For instance, EBS, or Elastic Block Store, is ideal for applications that require block storage, like databases. It offers high performance and low latency. On the other hand, EFS, or Elastic File System, is designed for shared file storage, making it perfect for applications that need to access the same files from multiple instances. Lastly, FSX is tailored for high-performance workloads, such as those requiring file systems optimized for specific applications. To recap, while EBS, EFS, and FSX all provide storage solutions, their use cases and access patterns are what set them apart. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right storage for your application. EBS is a block-level storage service that you can attach to your EC2 instances. It's designed for high-performance transactional workloads, which means it works really well for things like databases or boot volumes. Think of EBS as a hard drive for your virtual machine, providing fast access to data that your applications need to run efficiently. On the other hand, EFS is a scalable and fully managed file system that allows multiple EC2 instances to access the same data at the same time. It's like a shared folder that everyone can use, making it perfect for applications that require concurrent access to files, such as web servers or content management systems. In summary, EBS is great for individual instances needing fast storage, while EFS is ideal for shared access among multiple instances. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right storage solution for your applications. One of the options available is FSX, which comes in different versions to cater to various needs. For instance, there's FSX for Windows File Server, which is specifically designed for Windows workloads. This means if you're running applications that rely heavily on Windows, this version will provide the best performance and compatibility. On the other hand, we have FSX for Lustre, which is tailored for high-performance computing. This version is perfect for tasks that require fast processing and large datasets, such as scientific simulations or big data analytics. To put it simply, think of FSX as a specialized toolbox. Depending on the job you need to do, you can choose the right tools to get the best results. In summary, FSX offers flexible solutions for shared file storage, catering to both Windows environments and high-performance computing needs. First, let's talk about EC2 instances. These are virtual servers that you can launch in the cloud. When we attach EBS, which stands for Elastic Block Store, to an EC2 instance, we provide it with persistent storage. This means that even if the instance is stopped or terminated, the data on EBS remains intact. Next, we have EFS, or Elastic File System. This allows multiple EC2 instances to share access to the same file system. Imagine it like a shared folder on a network where everyone can access the same files simultaneously. Lastly, FSX is designed for high-performance computing and enterprise Windows applications. It provides dedicated storage that is optimized for these specific workloads. In our lab, we will launch an EC2 instance, attach EBS to it, create an EFS, and mount it on multiple EC2 instances. We will also set up FSX and connect it to a Windows workload. This hands-on experience will solidify our understanding of these services. EBS, or Elastic Block Store, is designed for high IOPS, which means it can handle a lot of input and output operations per second. This makes it ideal for applications that require fast and consistent performance. On the other hand, EFS, or Elastic File System, allows multiple instances to access the same storage simultaneously, which is great for shared workloads. FSX is tailored for Windows environments or high-performance computing, providing specialized features that enhance performance for those specific use cases. To validate the performance of these storage options, we can conduct read and write tests and monitor metrics using CloudWatch. However, candidates often make some common mistakes. For example, they might try to use EBS for multi-instance shared storage, confuse the performance expectations of EFS, or select the wrong type of FSX. In summary, understanding the right use cases for EBS, EFS, and FSX is crucial for optimizing performance in cloud environments. First, let's look at EBS, which stands for Elastic Block Store. It provides high-performance storage for EC2 instances. This means that if you have a virtual server running in the cloud, EBS can give it the fast and reliable storage it needs. Next, we have EFS, or Elastic File System. This is designed for multiple instances to share files, making it perfect for applications that require a shared file system across different servers. Lastly, there's FSX, which is tailored for enterprise and high-performance computing workloads. This option is great for more demanding applications that need specialized storage solutions. To give you a simple analogy, think of EBS as a personal hard drive for your computer, EFS as a shared drive that multiple people can access, and FSX as a high-end server designed for heavy tasks. In summary, EBS, EFS, and FSX each serve unique purposes in the AWS ecosystem, catering to different storage needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AWS storage topic you'd like to explore next.